Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a UI scroll view in the Unity. So this is my scene, and first of all I'm gonna create an image and name it to scroll rect and just resize it to the according to the my controller, and then I'm gonna add a scroll rect here and disable horizontal, and I'm gonna add or drag and drop content very soon. And then into the scroll rect I'm gonna create an image again, and I'm gonna change the color of it to maybe black, and then resize it according to whatever you want to. I'm gonna create it for putting like videos here and description to the right side, and change it to container, and add a component like vertical layout group to actually spacing, or placing it to the according to the spacing. I'm gonna change it to or make it 10, and I'm gonna add here buttons. You can add images or text or whatever you want to, and just duplicate it many times, and as you see it goes down below to the scene, and there's a gap here, and it comes from that spacing. You can change it to whatever you want. And when you leave that thing like that, and when you start the Unity, there's a mistake or error, I don't know, whatever you want to say, and sorry, just add container here and start again. There's one thing that you don't want to forget is, I'm gonna tell you, as you see there isn't scrolling or sliding because of, as somebody says to me, or maybe realize that you don't forget to actually resize that container according to the container containing stuff like buttons or images. This is so important, and I'm gonna add a component like mask to actually conceal the outside components, and just click here to not show the background color, and just play, and it's gonna work like a charm. Yes, and this is it. And when you want to slow it or faster it, you can just play with the deceleration rate. Like I'm gonna choose like 0.8. It's more slowing and more convenient. See you next time.